southern Wisconsin, trying to take a closer look at one of the most fierce and powerful creatures to roam the earth. Crikey, it's the Ford Raptor!
Hi folks, my name is David Horowitz and I am your SCA Performance Truck Specialist at Kunes Country Ford in Delavan, Wisconsin. I wanted to take a minute with you guys today to do a quick walk around of one of the coolest trucks on the market right now, and personally, my favorite truck on our lot. SCA Performance Upfitters took this beautiful 802A Raptor and they turned it into even more of a beast, which I didn't think was possible, yet here we are. For starters, and a huge reason as to why I love this truck, you're going to be sitting up a little bit higher, so you're going to stand out. The guys at SCA put on front and rear control arm cross members and a taller rear block to give this bloke a 4-inch lift while still maintaining the factory Fox Sport high output suspension. So on the front of this bad mamma jamma, besides looking a little more aggressive because it's sitting up higher, you also have the ADD extended front bumper. So they replaced the original bumper, put this bad boy on, and it looks awesome on it. You also have the Rigid Industries LED bar going all the way across, and it looks awesome. And you'll notice Addictive Desert Design also put on the front bumper this EcoFlow area. Now that's for your 3.5 V6 turbo, so it gets all the cold air it needs, so you can be cruising down like a champion. Another way you're going to stand out is these huge 37-inch Nitto Ridge Grappler tires with the SCA custom rims. Now they usually put these on the Black Widows, so seeing it on a Raptor is just amazing. I mean, wow! Now moving on to the rear, you'll also have an Addictive Desert Design replaced rear bumper. It's powder coated, as is the front, just to keep it staying good longer. And you also have the Rigid Industry LED lights here too. So right there, and you have the block lights right there. Just puts the truck together very well. So although SCA made a bad mamma jamma of a truck here, they wanted to go a little bit more on the conservative side with the badging. So you've got the SCA badging here and on the custom rims, but they wanted to keep it with a clean, sleek look. Welcome to the interior. Come on in. So with the Raptor 802A package, you have pretty much top of the line everything. From the Ford Safe and Smart package, giving you the blind spot alert system, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, all this stuff, it's just top of the line. Now you're also going to have your twin panel moonroof, obviously leather seats with the Raptor stitching, and heated cooled seats, heated back seats, touchscreen, backup camera, 360 camera, and everything in between. Kind of a fun feature that SCA installed with this is that they took the factory auxiliary switches and hooked up those aftermarket rigid LED light bars to that. So it's a seamless transition from the factory switches to the LED bars. Clever girl. Now under the hood, Ford boasts the 3.5 V6 turbocharged engine. It differs a little bit from your regular 3.5 in the F-150, as it's going to boast a 450 horsepower compared to 375. With all these features and so much more, you got to come in and see me to see what this bloke is all about.